Okay, so let's have this problem about salary. So Mrs. Reyes is a public high school teacher in the Philippines. So she earns an annual salary of 360,288 pesos. Let's compute her monthly, semi-monthly, weekly, and daily rate. So first, let's start with our given. So her annual salary is given, which is 360,288, okay, pesos. So to get the monthly salary, we have to divide this, okay, the annual salary divided by 12 because we have 12 months in a year. So let's divide 360,288 divided by 12. That will give us an equivalent answer of 30,024. Okay, so that will be her monthly salary. Next, let's proceed to her semi-monthly. Okay, so this will be the monthly salary divided by 2. So ito yung sasweldohin niya every 15th or 30th of the month. Okay, so it will be the monthly salary divided by 2. So we have 30,024 divided by 2. So this will be 15,012. Ayan. Okay. Next will be, let's solve for the weekly. Weekly salary is going to be, this will be the annual salary divided by 52. So please take note that in 1 year, we have an equivalent of 52 weeks. Okay, so we will divide the annual by 52. So 360,288 divided by 52. So that will give us 6,928.62 pesos. Ayan. So I round it up to 2 decimal places. Ayan. Okay, and then let's solve for the daily rate. So daily rate will be same as annual salary divided by 365. So again, take note that in 1 year, we have 365 days. Okay, so annual salary 360,288 divided by 365. That will give us her daily salary, that is 987 pesos and round up na natin, and 10 cents. Ayan. Okay, so that will complete our problem. Okay, we computed her annual, monthly, semi-monthly, weekly, and daily. Alright.